First, we'll open the trunk. From the back side of the taillight, right there at the top is a clip that we're supposed to take out. We'll be using a clip remover tool like this to pull that clip outwards. First clip is taken out. Just like that, the clip we took out here, which I'm pointing out. Similar to that, there's one more clip right here that's supposed to be taken out. It's missing in my case for some reason, but in your case, make sure you take the second clip out as well. Suppose we take out both these clips, only then we will pull this cover outwards. Once we have pulled out the cover, notice right there is that plug. All we have to do is just grab the plug and then turn it anti-clockwise. Then we will pull the plug outwards. This is the turn signal bulb right there. To take the bulb out, all we have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. Right there is the bulb taken out. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter if it's this way or the other. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb in that position and then push it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Bulb is in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug. Make sure the plug is completely in. Only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, and notice it's not coming out anymore. Right there is another plug and that's for the brake light. And again, we will turn it anti-clockwise to pull the plug outwards. There's the plug taken out. Again, for this bulb, we will grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There's the bulb taken out. My case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or the other. Both ways are perfectly fine. We'll just punch in the bulb inside the plug and then push it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Bulb is in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug. Make sure again the plug is completely in. Only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. It's installed and not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of both the bulbs. We'll put back the cover that we took out earlier in the process. Then we will put back the clip at the very top. And again, this clip was missing in my case, but in your case, if you have a clip, make sure you install that clip right there. This wraps up the replacement for the taillight bulbs. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.